Hello my darlings, Dina Danielle here from Dina Danielle Designs, and today I've challenged myself to make a backyard oasis with only things that I have in the house. So let's see what I can come up with. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking some sort of tent. I'm thinking pillows. I'm thinking a chandelier hanging from the tree. I've got a lot of work to do, guys. Let's get started.
So I found these two chandeliers in the garage, and I decided to use the one on the left. I spray painted it white and then a light pink. For the ring on my tent, I decided a hula hoop, a smaller one. Sheets, hula hoop, safety pins. And then I used the tree. Trees are our friend. And I tossed that baby over the limb. Well, I tried tossing that baby over the limb. They say third time's a charm. Nope. How about the fourth time? Fourth time is the charm. I actually tossed that twine over the limb one more time because I needed 4 pieces of twine, 3 for the hoop and 1 for the chandelier. I used rocks to hold down the sheets so that the wind would not blow it away. And of course I had to make it look pretty, so I added a garland on the top, and then I added a garland to the chandelier inside. It's so pretty. Oh, and of course a tulle bow. Hello. Oh, Dina it up. The next thing I did was put a tarp down because I was going to use one of my pink shabby chic quilts, and I didn't want it to get all wet and yucky. So I put the tarp down, and then I put a white sheet for a little bit of extra protection for my quilt, and then I put the quilt on top of that. And then I just piled it full of pillows. My pillow addiction finally came in handy, y'all. Finished it off by chairs, more pillows, some decor. You know, doodads. Pretty, pretty doodads.
I want to come over and play? What do you think, baby?
It's nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Don't get that on your shirt.
Oh, okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you very much for the strawberry margarita.
You're welcome.
Looks delicious.
Mm.
Ooh.
What?
Oh.
That a what?
Did you mind? Did you?
What's
Did
it?
you?
What's it?
Did you follow the recipe on how much tequila?
Well, sort of, except one more shot. Thanks for joining me today.
You're welcome. I love my pink Barbie doll life.
Hey, I moved Barbie just for you. She was over here.
I know.
How's life with Gina Danielle?
Never a dull moment.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
No, I did not think I would be living in a pink house.
No.
That was not something I envisioned in my pubescent years.
But you wouldn't trade it for the world, right?
No, I'm quite content, very happy.
Good.
How couldn't I be? The problem is that once you start drinking it, you can't stop.
I know, and so you just drink the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
It's true. That's pretty good, and we're getting our fresh vegetables. I mean, fresh fruit. Fresh tequila's in it. Point. Your point.
And
Exactly.
now we have verified who started early. Didn't there used to be back in the 50s some kind of rule that a woman wouldn't drink without her husband?
Well, that's a stupid rule. Who made that up?
Well,
Really?
No, I think that was the
thing. Oh, so she wouldn't start drinking until her husband came
No,
home.
I mean it wouldn't drink at all unless she was with her husband.
What? For reals?
Yeah. I think it goes back to just a time when women basically had to ask permission to do anything.
That's insane. I never heard
I
of
don't think women actually honored the rule. I think they pretended to honor it.
Oh, see, when you tell me a rule, I want to do the rule.
You know,
And that seems really ridiculous. Like just kind of waiting to... And then, what if the husband's not in the mood later that night? And he comes home and he doesn't want to drink and she wants to drink.
can't answer that.
How do you get done?
I'm gonna get more margarita.
XOXO!